You know what? It's very important to know why you do a certain thing, because when you start a journey, no matter what that journey is, it's going to always be those temptations there to get you off your square. And it's not that it's an intentional thing, but that's just life. And I say that because, you know, I'm on this raw food journey and I'm already being tempted with things that I love, but I'm going to stay the course. And I just want to say, you know what? You got to know why you're doing something, or it's easy to get off track. You know, fear of missing out will have you so off track and off course and not exercising any discipline and falling back into your old habits. Doing nothing is easy. Doing something is always hard. You know, but also when you're doing something and you're working on goals, it begets more goals. It begets more discipline. And, you know, sometimes you have to push yourself and stretch yourself to see what you're really made of. And that's where I'm at on this journey, you know, just trying to see another aspect of who I am and what I'm capable of. So, here we go, folks.
I want to make this clause before I get to the end of my raw food journey. Don't hate on me when I start looking cute. That's all I want to say. I just want to make a public service announcement to y'all. Don't hate on your girl when I start getting cute. Just hit me up and ask me to help you get on this raw food diet so that you can be on it for the long haul, so you can get whatever results you're trying to get. But don't be out there hating on me. I'm just saying, just don't be hating on me. And I just wanted to make that announcement. Let me eat some more of this salad. Hey everybody, it is dinner time and I'm gonna make me a salad. I mean, it's not that late in the day, but I'm kind of hungry and I'm ready to eat. So what I have here is my salad. It's just some spring mix with romaine and cilantro. I actually washed this yesterday and put it in a container so it's ready to go. And I separated with a paper towel. That just kind of keeps your salad dry and fresh, so that it doesn't wilt while it's in the fridge, especially after you wash it. So I already did that. And then I have an avocado, a radish, jalapeno because I like things hot, some carrots, and cucumber. So I'm just gonna wash these things. I already peeled the cucumber yesterday just so that it's quicker for me when it's time to prep my salad. And, oops, sorry. I got some pumpkin seeds here that I might throw on top of my salad for a little bit of crunch. And then I have some vegan ranch dressing. Like I said, it is vegan. It's made with cannelli beans and a sweet basil dressing that I'm going to mix them together just to give it a little bit of flavor. So let me just wash these couple vegetables off, and I'm going to chop them and get them ready for my salad. Okay, guys, I got my salad all together, and I got me a little bit of a lemon and a lime water. It's just distilled water with slices of lemon and lime. Nothing else, but I like it. So I'm just gonna quench my thirst. That's good. With that, it also brightens up the palate. So let me see how my salad is. It actually smells really, really good. And I'm hungry. And so we can talk a little bit about more about a raw food diet. So let me see. That's good. When you are on a raw food diet, you need to make sure that you make yourself large salads. You know, in today's world, we don't eat enough vegetables. We really do not. And when you go somewhere to eat a salad with your dinner, they give you this little salad with all this protein and all these carbohydrates. And then when you fill up on all that stuff that has all the flavor and all the seasoning on it, you barely want the salad. But if you take your time and make this transition slowly, you will do very well with changing from those little tiny salads to having large salads like this that has all these probiotics in it from the vegetables, all the micronutrients in it, as well as the enzymes that you need. Mm-hmm. So I know a lot of you have heard me talk about all the micronutrients, the vitamins, the minerals, amino acids, phytonutrients, and things like that that are found in the fruits and vegetables and even in the freshly pressed jade juice, and how those concentrated nutrients are so important for our body, just for us to feel healthier and be healthier and have more wellness and reverse any dis-ease that's in the body. And one thing you may have not heard me mention is protein. And I know protein is very big for a lot of people. And I just want you to be assured that your vegetables, even in this salad, has a good source of protein. Vegetables do have protein, and it's a plant-based protein. It's a plant source of protein. So definitely do your research about different types of vegetables and fruits and the amount of protein in each, because there are a lot of raw foodists who are very healthy, who actually lift weights and who are very muscular and have lots of energy and do triathlons and all type of different exercise that require lots of energy. And it is a false idea to think that you have to eat animal source of protein in order to have that type of strength or to have that type of energy. Vegetables are an excellent source of protein, a plant-based protein. The content is not as high as an animal source because the animal is flesh, and flesh is muscle is protein. That's where the source is coming from. However, the plants still have a good amount of protein that your body can utilize. So I definitely want to encourage you to do your research, to look at different fruits and vegetables, particularly the vegetables, and look at their source of protein content in that, and do a meal prep for yourself surrounded by whatever amount of protein intake you believe that you need to have. I do want to caution on this: plant protein versus animal protein. Animal protein will cause inflammation in the body. It is acidic, and that acid will lead to inflammation. The inflammation will lead to dis-ease, or what you call disease, in the body. There's an imbalance when you have too much animal source protein in your body. Unfortunately, a lot of the diets that we eat right now and that we love are loaded with animal protein, as well as those processed carbohydrates. It tastes so good, it is so addictive, and it's very stimulating. So when we eat those foods, we feel great because we're like, ooh, we're feeling good. It tastes good, it's very stimulating. However, anything that goes up has to go down, and so eventually you'll feel deflated after eating those food items. But with the plant-based diet, you're gonna always feel good. You're gonna always have energy. You just have to make sure that you're eating enough plant-based foods. So like I said, make sure you have a large salad in, like I have right now. I'm gonna take a bite and not talk to you too much. So let me get my salad in. The avocado and my jalapeno. I better only eat one piece of that. So, and even if you decide, raw food is not for you, at least make it a goal to eat a large salad. Because even when I'm eating regular foods or cooked foods, I still try to make sure I get a good sized salad in every day. And that's how you slowly change your diet. So start off small. Make sure you get a few fruit in a day. 1 or 2 pieces of fruit. If you're not hungry, just drink your water. You don't have to go grab a snack. And really, in this moment, I'm really talking to me. I'm not even talking to you. Because I love a snack. I love a treat. I love to graze on things while I'm working. So I'm actually talking to myself in this moment. But these are the small changes that I've made for myself. I make sure that I drink my jade juice. I make sure I eat an extra piece of fruit. I'll grab some unsalted, unroasted nuts or seeds. I'll make sure that I have a salad. So I'll try to make sure I get those things in before I give myself all those other treats. Mmm. That's my radish. It's good. Before I ate this salad, I was like, oh, I'm hungry. And believe me, I'm going to keep it all the way 100 with you. I was having cravings. I was like, oh, I want some pasta. My girl, you're not getting pasta. You're on your raw food journey. So I'm like, let me go make this salad, which is what I'm doing. And I'm so glad I did because it's so delicious. And it makes me feel good. I'm not full. So that's another thing. You're satisfied when you're on raw food. You're not bloated or belching and all type of craziness. You know, those GI or gut problems that you have or flare-ups that you might get when you're on a, standard American diet. None of that when you're eating clean, raw foods. I just don't experience any of that. So, and your mood is good. Your mood is good. You're not fatigued or drowsy or any of that. But those cravings will be there and they will pass. That's why you just have to make sure you have plenty of your raw food options with you. And do some meal prep. Make your salad for a couple weeks, your large salad. If you have to go out and buy yourself some bigger bowls or some bigger to-go storage containers, do that so that you are successful on your raw food journey. Make sure you got plenty of fruit, your nuts and seeds. Make sure it's available so that you have it, that you have your water or your tea, whatever you're going to have, so that you're successful on this. Because the cravings will come. But that's okay. They come and they pass. And usually when you think that you're hungry, you're not even hungry. You're just snacky. You want to snack on something. You want to chew something, or you're bored, And that was another issue I had. I would do a lot of emotional eating. Like if I'm bored or if I have work to do but I don't want to do it. So I'm procrastinating. So like, let me eat something. Let me snack something. Or if I'm on the phone and, if you're talking, you want to snack on something. That's my issue. So I really, really need to do this raw food just to make sure that I'm getting in as much healthy fruits and vegetables that I can, just to change my mental, my emotional, my spiritual, my whole well-being. This is good. I'm gonna catch up with you guys later, maybe when I have some dessert. So my dessert will really be maybe some coconut yogurt and some berries or mangoes or melons or something like that. I'm not sure. That's if I'm hungry. So we'll see. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys. I hope you're learning something with all my talking. And hopefully you'll decide to do this journey also. And be sure to reach out because I'll help you. I'll give you whatever tips you need to make it successful for you too. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.